We're working on the lab 7.1.14, use system commands. I'm going to start the lab. While this loads up, the scenario is, in this lab, you will use some system commands to explore the file system. Your task is to complete the following from Windows PowerShell. In Windows 11, PowerShell is also referred to as the Windows terminal. Alright, so we're going to click Start and search Windows Terminal. There we go. And then start with copy a file to a new folder, or create a new folder in the E drive named graphics. So let's go to the E drive. So E:, enter, then put make directory MD graphics, enter. So you can see graphics right there. And then we're going to go to the D drive. So copy D graphics cat JPEG to the E right here. And then we're going to put D:, enter, CD graphics, enter, then copy cat E:, enter. Then you can put E:, to go to the E drive, and dir to check, and you can see the cat.jpg is in here. So that one is all done. So we're going to, next thing is use nslookup to query the DNS for the corp server using its full name, corp server corpnet local, and then answer question 1. So let's start with nslookup space corp server dot corpnet dot local, and enter. Then answer question 1. What is the IP address of corp server corpnet local? So I just clicked answer questions in the upper right hand corner, and then it says what is the IP address. So there's 2 IP addresses here, and they want corp server dot corpnet. So this is corp DC and this is corp server, so it's going to be this one here. It's 1.192.168.0.10. so you can close this right here. Now we can move to the next one. So use chkdsk to check the file system on the D data volume and answer question 2. So chk, we're going to type that in, chkdsk, and D:, to go to the D drive. All right. It's running. Answer question 2. How many bad sectors were found? So right here you see bad sectors, 0. So use the drop down menu and click 0 and go ahead and close that out. So next task, use gpupdate to apply the latest group policy changes to your workstation. So we're going to just put gpupdate, enter. Alright, that completed successfully. We're going to use gpresults /r to see which policies are applied to the workstation and answer question 3. So we're going to put gpresult /r, enter, and then answer question 3. Which of the following applied group policy objects were updated? Select all that apply. So right here you can see applied group policy objects, IE settings, deploy printers, where's that right here, default domain policy, alright, Outlook settings. Alright, so those are the 4 over here. We're going to check that, close that up, go to the next task. Use Task Manager to identify the process ID, PID, for the language application. Then use taskkill to stop that process. So click Start again, and this time we're going to open up the Task Manager. There. And to see the PID, you're going to click the tab Details. And here's language application 6156. So we're going to use taskkill to stop that process. So just type in taskkill space /PID space, and then you're going to put the PID number, which is 6156. And then click enter, and it says success. So perfect. So next task, and we can close out the task manager right now. And then the next task is use netuse to map the P drive to the personnel shared folders on Corp files. All right. So we're gonna net use, type that in, and then P : and then space / corp files / personnel, and enter. And this command completed successfully. And then answer question 4. But let's just double check that. So we're just going to put P semicolon enter to go to the P drive, then dir, and there we go. See those 3. How many folders are in the root of the P drive? 3. All right. And then we're going to click check answers. 100%, perfect. And we're going to click score lab. And that's all done. All right, so you're done with this lab.